Today is called My Ancestor's Wildest Dreams, written by Miss Amanda Lynch and her daughter Ava Holloway. Also illustrated by Bonnie Lemaire, daughter Ava Holloway. Now, let's get to the fun craft I made inspired by this book. So the first thing you guys are gonna have to do is dye the coffee filters, and we actually did that in yesterday's craft, which was the tie-dye butterflies. So click that card up top and it'll take you to that video, and then you guys can see how to do the dyeing of the coffee filters, because this activity is coming because I actually had a lot of coffee filters left over. So I decided to use that to make the ballerinas. I will also have that butterfly video linked in the description box below, so please check that out, okay? But it's not hard, guys. You're basically coloring the filters and adding water and letting it dry. So now that that's done, here are the filters we had from yesterday, and I actually saw this image on Pinterest and I decided, I can adapt this project. So I am adapting this coffee filter dancers project to make it my own. And of course you guys are free to go to onelittleprojects.com to see how they made this as well. So adapting it, we're gonna use brown pipe cleaner. So you're gonna need 2 brown pipe cleaners, and I'm also gonna use beads. You don't have to, but I wanna give it the Afrocentric look, so I wanted to have some gold beads as well. And that's the brand of pipe cleaners. I believe I got these from Walmart. So what you're gonna do is fold one pipe cleaner in half, and you're gonna take the other one at the neck of where the dancer would have their neck. You're gonna take that pipe cleaner and you're going to wrap it around about 2 or 3 times until it's secure, and there you go. That's pretty much the body, arms and legs. That's all you need in a head. Next, you want to take one of your coffee filters and you want to cut a very, very, very tiny hole to put it on our dancer. So the tiniest hole. Now that you have one of the skirts on, you're going to take a small rubber band and you're basically going to secure it twice, and that is it. So we're going to do the exact same thing to the other filter, and we're just going to apply it as their shirt for the dancer. And we're going to also attach a rubber band to secure it. This part is totally optional, but I'm going to add beads, like I said, because I want to give it a nice Afrocentric look. And I think I'm going to add another bead, so 2 beads, and then I'll be done. Well, actually, the last thing you need to do is shape out your dancer again. So make sure you shape her head, shape her arms the way you want it to look, and now you can play with her. And there you have it, all done. And my daughter absolutely loved this craft. She loves the books, she loves the craft, because she keeps telling me that she wants to be a ballerina dancer when she grows up. So this was perfect for her. So far, she's been playing with these dolls every day. Here she is again the next day. And check it out, she's still dancing. I can't stop her. She's unstoppable. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this awesome craft. And his book is called Dear Daughter, A Love Story by Dedrick, Moone. And do a cool craft that fathers can create with their daughters where they are making a princess. So all you're going to do is put a handprint just like we're doing, and you notice that we keep the palms touching. You want to keep the palms touching because that's going to give the illusion of the tutu or the little gown, skirt, whatever you want to call this. And there you have it. Very easy. We do simplicity here on this channel, y'all. So now grab your construction paper for this next one. This is the brand I love. I got it from Amazon. And you're going to basically just cut out the top part of your princess. You can make a heart. You can make this little teardrop that I have. I think I'm going to go with this shape. So this is going to be the top part of the dress. You can add ribbons, bows, decorate the dress. I'm just showing y'all how I made the bow right here, just like you're tying your shoelace, okay? You're going to glue that down on the dress, and you can have your child decorate the dress with like little sequins, little whatever you guys have around the house. I have these. I found these were really cute. I got them from like an artificial flower. So I'm just going to pop those little glitter balls out, and that's going to decorate the dress. And then last but not least, I'm going to finish this up with a optional idea, but you guys can do it as well. But I'm going to add a little silhouette of a girl. Got her little puff there. And that is it. I mean, you guys can tailor this however you want, but I'm just giving y'all the idea, and I can't wait to see what y'all come up with, okay? Make sure y'all take pictures. Make sure y'all tag me on Instagram. Here's my social media right there. And yeah, this one's super duper cute and super easy. So something that you guys can, the kids can hang up in their rooms. That's what we did with this. We ended up hanging up in our room,